Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be organizing my skincare because I just came back from vacation, so I have all my skincare that I need to put away, and I also just want to organize everything so I know where it is when I use it every day. So if you want to see how I organize my skincare, just keep watching. So I keep the majority of my skincare on this rotating organizer. I really like it. I just got it off of Amazon. And basically, I am just putting everything back where I think it should be, and I am organizing stuff so that's in a different order, so I just know where everything is when I want to use it morning and night. I have a lot of skincare that I don't use. This really isn't my fault. I usually just have a lot of samples from Sephora and stuff, but I do have the skincare that I am wanting to use every day, and I'm kind of focusing on that and moving stuff around so that I know where all my daily skincare is, just so that I can see it, make sure I know where it is, so that I can use it and actually utilize it, because I've been really bad at taking care of my skin. So I want to make sure that I actually do that, because for some reason my pores got really bad in the past month. Like, I have photos where it shows that like I didn't have like any visible pores, and then now I do. So I don't know what that's about. But yeah, so I'm basically just organizing stuff. That's all I'm doing. I will be doing a video talking about my favorite skincare products, but honestly, I'm just starting out doing like full-on skincare, so I don't know a ton of things. I'm just trying to do what's best for my skin and what will hopefully help with all my freaking issues. And here we are. Now we are done. This is what my organizer looks like now. I think I did a pretty good job. I have all the skincare that I want to use daily kind of all together so that I can see it. And then I just have everything else like where I wanted it to be. So I'm pretty happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Subscribe, go follow my Instagram, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!